That's life. That's what all the people say. You're riding high in April, you're shut down in May. I know I'm gonna change that tune when I'm back on top in June. I say that's life. And as funny as it may seem, some people get their kicks stomping on your dreams. But I don't let it get me down, 'cause this final world keeps spinning round. I've been a puppet, a pauper, a pirate, a poet, a pawn and a king. I've been up and down and over and up, but I know one thing. Each time I find myself flat on this face, I pick myself up and get back in the race. That's life. I can't deny